Hi, Tom Kaps here from Flock Free Bird Control, and we'll talk about geese today. Geese can be a really big problem around office complexes or even in your backyard. Did you know the average goose will poop a pound a day of poop? That's a lot of poop. So if you have kids playing on a soccer field where geese are hanging out, or you have people around an office complex and they're pooping on the sidewalk or the parking lot, and they're building nests by the entranceways, it could be a problem because once there's a nest established, geese get pretty aggressive and they will attack people and cause a big problem. So it always seems to be a big deal to get rid of geese. Well, at Flock Free, we got a really simple solution. We have a tank mix kit. And what that includes is you get a gallon of our concentrate and you get 2 pints of Invisidide. You mix these two products together with a gallon of water and you spray the grass. And the idea is that the birds will see purple caused by the Invisidide. So the grass will appear purple. When the geese go near the purple grass and eat it, it doesn't taste very good. And they learn to stay away from the purple grass. So what we do is we have an office complex and the birds are hanging out near the front door or lunch spot or some kind of area where people are around. We spray the area that we don't want the geese, and we'll give them a spot to hang out someplace else. If there's a corner where they're not bothering anybody, spray the areas that you want to keep them away and then give them a little spot. But this stuff works great. So how it works is that works 2 ways. One, it works through ingestion. So when they eat it, it doesn't taste good. It affects a nerve in their beak. Also, when they breathe it in, they're a big enough bird that when they inhale it, they don't like it very much. So each application will last 3 weeks, and it will withstand a couple rain episodes. If it's a drenching rainstorm, you want to get out there and spray it again. The product, like I said, lasts 3 weeks, and it's fantastic. It works on geese, also works on ducks. Any kind of waterfowl, you may have to double up on the level of concentrate that you mix with water. But geese, 2 ounces per gallon, a little Invisidide, works great. The birds see purple, they react to it quickly. You're not harming them. Works every single time, easy to do. And I'll show it to you one more time. Flock Free Tank Mix. Have a good day.